Consistent results from your nitrous system require consistent bottle pressure. How do you increase bottle pressure? Warm up the bottle with an NOS bottle heater. We're going to install an NOS automatic nitrous bottle heater on a 1991 Mustang. The automatic bottle heater differs from others in that it uses a pressure switch to control the heating element rather than a thermostat. Since the ultimate goal of a nitrous bottle heater is to achieve a certain pressure, using a pressure switch rather than a thermostat leads to more consistent results. The pressure switch mounts between the bottle valve and the feed line with the included swivel adapter. The switch shuts off the heating element at 975 psi, which is the perfect nitrous system pressure for consistent performance. Here's the electrical hookups on this Fox body Mustang. We tucked the relay behind the interior taillight trim and ran the ground over to an existing ground for the taillight harness. We ran the orange and red relay supply and trigger wires through the interior and along the rocker panel. The trigger wire went to the supplied switch, which we mounted next to the nitrous system arming switch. The orange supply wire went up through the kick panel and out the firewall grommet shared with the fuel injection harness, and over to the battery post on the starter relay. With the electrical connections complete, we were ready to test it out. We opened up the bottle valve to feed the pressure switch with bottle pressure. Then we turned on the bottle heater. Even at a comfortable 74.5 degrees, our bottle pressure was only 825 psi, well below what's needed for optimal nitrous system performance. The heating element gently warmed the bottle for 27 minutes until the pressure switch turned off the heating element at 975 psi. Perfect. After using the bottle heater, we shut off the system and closed the bottle valve. We can't wait to hit the drag strip and enjoy consistent nitrous horsepower.